A high-precision laser welds the metal surface with accuracy and speed. The dough is shaped into long noodles and sent straight into the boiling water for cooking. The harvester moves through the field, cutting down rows of corn. The hydraulic grab lifts and stacks wooden poles with precision. This machine digs around the tree to prepare it for relocation. Sugarcane is fed into the machine to strip and process the stalks. The implement breaks the top layer of soil, preparing the field for planting. Fresh concrete is poured into carts for distribution across the site. The drilling bucket lifts soil from deep underground during foundation work. Heavy steel coils are carefully unloaded from the truck using an excavator clamp. The mattress is compressed and prepared for easy transportation. The aerated concrete block is precisely cut into shape with a bandsaw. A tree transplanter cuts a perfect circle around the roots, preparing it for relocation. This device vacuums and collects fluffy dandelion flowers into a container. This machine spreads the concrete mix, then levels and smooths the surface. The excavator bucket chops palm tree trunks into smaller pieces. This heavy drill bores deep holes in the ground for foundation construction. This road machine clears snow and mud, loading it onto a truck through a conveyor system. This system collects and prepares earthworms for farming and agricultural use. This industrial shredder crushes metal wheels for recycling. Watch how fast it turns meat into perfect cuts. From liquid batter to paper-thin wraps instantly. Perfect roadside maintenance in action. Fast peeling, zero mess. Powerful machine handles heavy timber. Whole poultry processed with speed. From dough to ready-made cakes. Sunflower heads harvested with a combine. From tree trunk to plywood layers. Farming meets technology, fast and precise planting. Huge rolls are transported from the field by a special heavy carrier, showing that even for massive bales, there's an impressive technical solution. The wood splits cleanly into pieces. A smooth road surface takes shape. They are arranged in perfect rows. A special machine stacks, aligns, and loads tree trunks onto the carrier. Excavator collects and removes aquatic weeds from the riverbank. Stuffing is placed into dough and perfectly formed into finished pieces. The portable cutter slices through thick steel pipes with ease. Hydraulic crusher breaks concrete and separates rebar. Hot preforms are expanded into flawless bottles with precision. That's the power of next-level technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Megatech Dynamics for more incredible content. See you in the next one.